Welcome to TikTok English. Let's learn 100 plus routine English sentences.
Morning routine.
I wake up early. I stretch and exercise. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I have breakfast.
Work and school.
I head to work or I head to school. I work on project. I collaborate with my colleagues. I attend meeting or I attend classes. I take a break.
Daily tasks.
I check my emails. I respond to messages. I make my to-do list. I prioritize tasks. I study organized.
Social interactions.
I meet my friends. I catch up with loved ones. I attend social events. I connect with my colleagues. I build relationship.
Evening routine.
I have dinner. I spend time with my family. I watch TV shows. I plan for the next day. I get ready for bed.
More daily activities.
I take care of my health. I manage my finances. I stay update on news. I pursue personal interests. I practice mindfulness.
Productive habits.
I set goals and objectives. I track my progress. I stay focused. I avoid distraction. I take breaks to recharge.
Leisure activities.
I listen to music. I play games. I watch sports. I try new recipe. I explore new places.
Personal growth.
I reflect on my experience. I learn from mistakes. I set new challenges. I practice self-care. I stay positive.
More sentences.
I help other. I volunteer. I participate in community events. I stay connected with friends. I make time for self-reflection.
Daily habits. I drink plenty of water.
I eat nutritious food. I get enough sleep. I exercise regularly. I practice gratitude.
Evening reflection.
I think about my accomplishments. I plan for tomorrow. I unwind and relax.
More daily activities. I learn new things.
I explore new interests. I stay curious. I ask questions. I seek feedback. I follow a schedule. I stay organized.
Final thought.
I am grateful for my life. I am looking forward to tomorrow. I am excited for new opportunities. I am passionate about my work. I am excited for the weekend. I love spending time with family. I am looking forward to vacations. I enjoy life. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.